so poetic about the rain. The way it alarms you with its sudden presence, but eventually comforts you with its fragrance. The way it announces its arrival with noises so loud, but eventually creates music with tiny drops and clouds. The way it sends chills down your spine, but makes your tea taste a little more fine. The way it darkens the light of the sun, but makes everything look brighter after it's done. The way it makes horror scenes a little more dramatic, but makes love songs sound a little more romantic. The way it makes you long for the ones you love, but reminds you that you share the same sky. The way it takes away the blue of the sky, but gives back a generous amount of lilac. There is something so poetic about the rain. You can tell, for this is a poem about the rain, and I am not even a poet.